here with this set of Bluetooth headphones. This comes in a great little carry case, as you can see here. Great little carrying case, as you can see here, which is great for traveling, storing, carrying, and keeping your headphones protected and safe. Inside this case includes a lanyard that you can clip on and carry this with you easily, charging cables, and a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. So options that you can use the wired headphone option as well, the charge, and a nice place to keep your headphones for you. These are great. They are Bluetooth enabled. They have a really great Bluetooth, heavy duty Bluetooth connection. So it's gonna have smooth sound and sound absolutely great. Connect wirelessly to all your devices. My favorite is how comfortable and beautiful these are. They have so much padding on the top and around the ears, as well as adjustable for a perfect fit. Make them larger or smaller for both kids and adults. 4 EQ modes, classic, rock, bass, and normal mode. So really great that you have different options of listening and using these headphones. 120 hours of playing time with the charge, so a long-term playing time use for you and your family. They're foldable, they're lightweight, they're aesthetically pleasing, and gonna look so great while wearing. These are gonna be loved by everyone in your family. I love that you get the carrying case to store all of your items and take with you as well on the go. So thought through, so beautiful, such a great headset. This does have a built-in microphone as well, so you can use this to play gaming and online experiences too. So this is everything you need built into one. A great little set here. You absolutely will love these. Highly recommend.